What's up YouTube? Intricate Explorer here today, and we are going fishing at Cheesman Canyon. Vlog. This is
Young
the
Life.
Dylan Edmondson vlog. He makes Iron Man. This is Young Life. He talks about life. And this is Intricate
young.
Explorer, and I explore life. Dope as fuck. I'm gonna take
trout,
some
baby.
photos.
Dope
He's gonna
as
catch some trout.
Is this your wide angle?
Yeah, it's
So
super
I'm in
wide.
this.
It's like 24 millimeters. You should be in it.
Sweet. What about over here?
You're like probably halfway. You're probably not in it anymore.
We've arrived.
I'm the only one of me. You're the only one to see. Look at that, fish finder. We've come to the right place. So whenever you go fishing, there's like fly fishing, there's like a really intricate process that you do when you're like getting all your gear on, you're putting all your clothes on, you're putting like a net out, getting your fishing pole ready. So here's that entire process in like 5 seconds. All right, so that's that. Here's a fishing rod that I'm gonna use. Like Alan said, I've never fished before, so well, I did, but when I was like 3, so it didn't go very well. We are at Cheesman Canyon. We officially made it. There's the sign. It's official. It's Facebook official. So we just gotta walk down a little bit ways. It's about like, I don't know, like a mile or 2 in. All right, we've arrived at the river. As you can see, it's calmer here. We walked down the stream a little bit because apparently you want to find the spots where it's calmer, not as intense. The water's pretty clear, so we can look for fish. And now we're gonna string our rods. All right, so this is the technique. You basically just cast the line over and over again, standing like 2 feet from the river until fish bites, apparently. And that's it, that's fishing.
5 minutes later.
So I did my fair share of fishing. I'm gonna do what I do best and do some photography now. So first I'm gonna load up the drone because it just sounds like fun. There's some cool drone shots. Now I'm gonna do some actual photography. So let's see what little stuff we can work out. Probably gonna bring out the 72 hundo first and work from there. So as you can see, the sun is right behind me. It's about, what time is it, like 9, 10? All right, it's like 9:30, so it's not high noon, so at least I'll have like one angle that I could shoot at that's not shooting directly into the sun, which is right there. All right, so decided on a hammock pick. I think that's gonna be my biggie for this one. Got this hammock set up right here. Nice little space to actually get the shot from a distance. Nice and framing with these trees. They got the backdrop of the river, and then blue hammock to stand out and create that contrast. So I'm thinking about doing daily vlogs. It would be a lot though, because I'd be doing a different adventure basically every single day of the week. But I feel like that's what this brand is, like Intricate Explorer. I'm trying to explore as much shit as humanly possible. And if I go out every day, new vlog, new adventure, new photos, I feel like my skill level will just skyrocket because I'm basically just doing all these new sequences every day, just getting so much practice. But the hardest part is gonna be getting up to go out and do that exploration every goddamn day. But I don't know, I feel like it would be worth it in the end. So now we're gonna do some portraiture stuff. Dylan's gonna go in the water.
I'm gonna get in there and I'm gonna come out and I make this sound like a dog barking. I'm gonna go. He's gonna take a picture of me. It's gonna be fucking awesome.
So we're gonna get that portrait shot and it's gonna be dope. So here's what it looks like.
I stepped on a rock.
Move to the right just a little bit. That way, yeah. Perfect. Yeah, right there. Dude. All right, that's going on Dylan's Tinder. That was dope as fuck. I am literally getting eaten alive out here.
Literally, huh?
Literally, I have butt bites all down my leg. It's fucking insane. There's so many mosquitoes. All right, so I'm spying on Alan right now. Get some cool fishing shots of him. He's over there. Ready? All right, I think we're gonna head out because there's some storm clouds rolling in hot. Look at that. And we don't want to get caught in the rain. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by October. I can only do that with your help, so drop a like for your boy. Peace the fuck out. I'll catch you guys later.